Here is your easy way to set up your client Forti VPN. First, go to forticlient.com/downloads. Click on Download for Windows and select 64-bit. Save your file. When the VPN setup window appears, check the box and click Next. Select where you would like to install to and click Next. Select Install. From the Start menu, select Forti Client VPN and open it. Check the box and select I accept. On the opening screen, select Configure. Your VPN that should be highlighted would be SSL VPN. For your connection name, type in Rosemont Specialty. You can leave your description name blank. Remote gateway should be rosemont1.fortiddns.com. Leave the rest default except for the checkbox for Do Not Warn Invalid Server Certificate. Ensure that this is checked, then hit Save. Once this is completed, you can have the user log into the VPN and test the pharmacy software installed on their laptop. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Brought to you by NetSolace.